Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into luxury performance and cutting-edge automotive design, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into something truly elite. This is the all-new 2026 Bentley Flying Spur, and it's not just a car, it's a statement on wheels. From the moment you see it, the Flying Spur commands attention. The bold grille, the signature dual headlights, and that long, graceful silhouette instantly tell you this isn't your average luxury sedan. It's handcrafted elegance combined with powerhouse engineering, a perfect fusion of British refinement and modern innovation under the hood. You're looking at a powerful twin turbocharged V8 or the optional W12 engine, both delivering a silky smooth driving experience with serious punch. 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds. That's supercar territory. Yet it glides like a cloud. The 2026 model now includes Bentley's updated hybrid variant 2. It's offering extended electric-only range for those who want performance with a conscience. Inside, the cabin is like stepping into a 5-star lounge. Bentley's craftsmanship is unmatched real wood veneers, hand-stitched leather seats, and metal accents everywhere. The seats are not just heated and ventilated. They massage you, adjust 22 ways, and remember your favorite positions. The rear seats, pure executive luxury, complete with tablet controls, fold-out trays, and even a refrigerated compartment if you spec it right. And let's talk tech. A rotating display gives you a choice between analog dials, full touchscreen, or a clean dashboard. There's wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Naim premium sound system that rivals any concert hall. And Bentley's latest driver assistance features like adaptive cruise, night vision, and lane centering that make long drives effortless. Do you think so far? Would you rather drive it or be chauffeured in the back? Let us know in the comments. But what truly sets the 2026 Flying Spur apart is the experience. It's not about speed alone, it's about how that speed feels. Effortless, graceful, powerful without being loud. It's a car for those who appreciate tradition, yet want to move boldly into the future. Pricing starts around $240,000, but with Bentley's bespoke options, that number can climb quickly, and honestly, that's part of the charm. You're not just buying a car, you're commissioning one. Every detail, down to the stitching color and veneer grain, can be made exactly how you want it. If luxury matters to you on a deeper level, if it's about comfort, craftsmanship, and presence, the 2026 Bentley Flying Spur delivers in a way few others can. Hit that like button if you're impressed, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of the world's finest vehicles.